guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Destiny and I just wanted to film a quick video. It is January 11th, so not even quite 2 weeks into the new year, but I wanted to film what is not working for my system, and then show you what I'm going to do to try to make it work for me. So first things first, sadly, is my college planner. I still like the ideas that I put in here, obviously, to track what assignments I have and the grades I made on them on this little year at a glance, and then on the calendar to track when I did the assignments and check off when I turned them in. And then on the dailies, write down what I'm doing each day for that class. I still like that, but right now, having a whole separate planner for it is not going to be ideal for me, because I have decided that whenever I have my second son come February 13th, that is my induction date, I want to take a few months off. So this planner would literally be wasted, and I don't want to do that to myself. So I'll just redate it next year and use it as a daily journal, like I am doing with the 2024 version of the One Piece Hobonichi. I'm just redating it and journaling in it daily. That's what I'll use this for next year. But yeah, I'm planning on taking, I don't know how many months, but I really just want to give that time to my family and my sons. I'm literally going from one son to two sons, 2 children total. And I want to give my all to this coming season of my life. So I am removing that planner, because I will, after I finish this class, I think it ends on like February 1st. I won't be doing school anymore for a while, just so I can be with my kids. And then second, my love, I love this planner. It is beautiful. I already took everything out. This is what I was using for my budget planner, but also my home and cleaning planner. I gave it a good go, I think. I mean, I really did. I did my best. And there's nothing wrong with the planner. I do love it. I enjoy it. It's beautiful. I kept up with it for 2 weeks. I was adding additional cleaning tasks over here. But my problem is not with these pages. My problem is with the budget. It is just not enough for me. Like, I wasn't able to list out all of my credit cards. I was having to combine stuff. There was just so much stuff listed here, which I think is nice for like first-time budgeters. Like, if you don't know exactly, like maybe you forgot something, it'll be listed here and you'll be like, oh yeah, I do pay for that. Like eating out, I need to account for that. But for me, it was just too much, and it didn't leave me enough miscellaneous space to list out what I needed. So to remedy my budget, I am going back to my budget mom planner. And so I'm super excited for that. That will be a February video. We will go back into my budget mom. And then for my cleaning spreads and my school homework for this month, I am just putting it into my beloved Erin Condren Franken planner. So as you can see here, I have already listed out my homework assignments that are due for this month on the monthly calendar. And then I am also putting them here on my little functional weekly. So I'm putting what I'm doing when I'm turning my assignments in, when they're due. This is the lowest I have ever made on a quiz. I just took it right now. I made a 72. I have never made below a 90 on my homework, so I'm still kind of like upset by that. I don't know what happened, but yeah, that's kind of upsetting. But excuse me. So yeah, that's what I'm using this for. And then for cleaning, I am no longer going to do the Passionate Penny Pincher cleaning. I am going to use the Clean Mama routine, which I bought the cleaning binder and the cleaning printables in like 2023 and I haven't used them. So I have over here my January monthly focuses for this month cleaning, and then the main focus is a whole house declutter for the month of January. So I have these listed here, and what I'm going to do is each week when I'm planning in my functional pages, I'm going to look on here and allocate a few of these things to certain days so that I know when I get to that day, this is what I'm focusing on cleaning. And then on the hourly planning pages, I have these that I bought from Clean Mama, and and these are the daily 5s that I will be doing. And so it's a sticker. I will just stick it on my little hourly page, and then as I do it, preferably in the morning because it's not that much, I will just check them off, and that is how I will be tracking my cleaning from here on out. And then, yeah, and then my school. So that is just a quick little update, like a really short video. That was only it's only 6 minutes. But yeah, that is how I am transitioning from my 2 planners that are not working for me, and I'm combining them into my beloved memory planner just to make things a little bit simpler for me. So that is my update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know how you guys are doing with your planners, especially if you are using multiple planners at a time. Are they all working for you, or have you already 11 days into the new year discarded 1 or 2 of them? I would love to know. And that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, consider subscribing. And I feel really bare right now. I washed my hair last night, and I take my wedding ring off because my hair gets caught in it, and I forgot to put it back on. But anyways, that was not, I don't know why. I feel bare. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Hopefully I finished my outro, but I got distracted. Okay, bye.